A lot of people have asked about the center post. On your standard wheel bearings, the tip of the center post goes in the bearing. When you lift up the upper arm, tighten the set screw. The leverage from the center post against the bearing will not harm the bearing. The weight of your motorcycle alone will exert more force on this bearing than the center post can ever do. On our single side wheels, you want to take the center post and flip it over to the end without the tip, and then it drops through the wheel and into the cup of the frame. Be sure to still load the center post and then tighten your knob.